At BKS, we are dedicated to our customers, from design to delivery. So whether we talk about grinding, producing or repairing knives, we always work together on finding the optimal solution in any given situation. To create outstanding knives for any specific needs, our engineers feast their creativity on the latest in 3D design software to determine the optimal material and specifications, however special the application might be. High-end materials are then machined and heat-treated, while we rely on automated CNC machines to make production as efficient and reliable as possible. Automation also allows us to track the lifetime of our cutters. Our system automatically informs you when a minimal diameter is reached and recommends replacement just in time. We think ahead to make your life that bit easier. All you have to do is disassemble the knife. Our BKS van picks it up and passes it through our quality control to determine whether the cutter needs grinding or replacement. The status and progress of an order is easily checked on our online platform, and because of the amount of stock, a replacement doesn't have to result in extra downtime. We package the new or revised product and get it back to you the same way we got it, except much sharper.